Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here with another video presentation on Cardano price analysis and technical details. As usually, we're continuing our video series. It is April 12th and we're looking for discovering the CPI data as well coming out today later on. So in the meantime, for those of you interested in my main YouTube channel, make sure to check out the videos listed over there with ChatGPT bot trading with AI. You can participate, you can join us. I'll talk about it a little later. By the way, we have our weekly performance listed here and the way you can participate by commission without any upfront fees. So Cardano, what's happening with this one? Price analysis on 1 hour candlesticks against Tether. Well, we have an XABDC pattern probability on the board. It's not yet confirmed, and there is the C to D movement on the way. The only question is standing behind the probability of this movement. Besides that, whatever we have listed till that point is fine with this specific pattern, having the X point as the starting towards the A, which is always a strong swing high. This strong swing high represented slightly above 20% for the Cardano, coming downwards with the usual retracement that is healthy of 8.77%. By the way, this allowed us to form our support trending line, which held the structure and allowed at later on to push for the C point, which is actually generating the butterfly pattern, pointing out a higher high from where the selling pressure starts significantly at a quite meaningful level. Now, in order for this pattern to be completed and the markets to get into the D point as well into the support zone in between the two orange lines, we'll have to reject if for whatever reason we revisit the highs of 40 cents here. That zone must reject us. If that happens, then we can basically expect to touch the trending line, which is the first expectancy we have. And then based on the trending line behavior, we will have to unlock the possibility towards the 35.7, 36.2 zone of support, which marks the D letter of the pattern. This is a probability on the table if we're talking about a downside move. If we don't talk about a downside move, then a breakout out of the zone, a revisit of the zone would actually create a breakout of the double top pattern appearing, pulling us straight towards 44.45 cents on Cardano. At the same time, a revisiting on the support line of the trend and a great reaction, you're going to get into a place where the markets will eventually squeeze with the zone and will mandatory request for a breakout. At that time, we'll have to see, but it's very important to check out what's happening with the BTC today, guys. That's where the big money is, and the CPI data, which is going to shake the markets a little, might dump the markets. We need to pay attention to the whole picture. Now, that's it for today with Cardano. For those of you interested in the ChatGPT trading with AI, you can participate and follow basically my trades. We have two options. Option number one, without any upfront fees, just a commission from the pure profits achieved. We can perform the trading through API permission and you don't have to do anything. Option number two is coming with a monthly fixed fee where you execute the signals and handle the complete process. So you can find out more on our page, which is listed in the description area and comments area, scrembocoaching.com/bot. At the same time, you can find out more videos on my main YouTube channel. Now, for those of you which are interested in changing the level of your skills and the performance and the results of your actions, you need to work on the source of that, which is always the education. So for those of you interested in education, especially one-on-one with me, make sure to watch this video till the end. In the meantime, like the video and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, if you would like to change the results of your performance, if you want to do day trading, swing trading, position trading as a full-time or part-time trader, I do have a one-on-one coaching directly with me where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you in an intensive way how to do the whole process. This is starting from the fundamentals of the mindset mentality going towards the technical analysis, where the idea is to understand the language of the market and react to that language accordingly. It's quite simple. If you know what does the market tells you, you know how to react to that. It is a message. It tells you this is where I'd like to go. This is where I have total domination, which is why you need to uncrypt the language of the market perfectly in order to act correctly. Like if you're not correct in trading, if you're not accurate, you're not going to make money on the long term. Now, live trades are also part of the process. Day trades, swing trades, technicals, homework. I'm sharing with you my screen. I'm taking you through the whole process. If you want to be on a call for this one as well, just register now and you can qualify for a free conversation if you think it's interesting. You can read more about it and discover more. Have a good time, guys. Subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.